Neaziza amanya Kadimba Hussein, Assistant RCC Mbale City. Ekiseera kyekimu nze President w'Abanyoli mu Eastern Region. Wetwogera Eastern Region twogera ku sub-regions omukaaga omuli Busoga sub-region, Bukedi sub-region, Bugwe and Bugisu sub-region, Teso sub-region, Karamoja sub-region. Ezo region ezo zona nzazitwala nga president waawe. Olunaku lwa leero ng'ennaku z'omwezi 19 nasamonize kategori y'abantu bano abakulu b'ebika bachairperson abatwala Abanyoli mu districts, aba special interest group nga abalema, abavuka, abakyala bono okujja nga tulina ensonga esokera ddala tuli ku mobilizinga Abanyoli bonna n'emikwano zaffe okubeerawo mu kwaniriza the right honorable speaker wa parliament Honorable Anita Aneti Among ku nnaku z'omwezi 17 ogw'okutaano omwaka guno. Ensonga ey'okubiri nti nkubiriza abakulu b'ebika okubeera nga baddayo bayite enkiiko mu bika byabwe okubeera nga boogerako n'abavubuka bannaffe, abaana baffe, abawala n'abalenzi okubanga tebeenyigira mu bikolwa eby'otyowoola eddembe ly'obuntu oba ebimenya amateeka. Nga wetugenda mu biseera bya campaign twagala mobilization edde mu bika, era amanyi bulungi nti kino president agenda kukirowoozako president w'eggwanga lino. Lwaki tulowooza nnyo nti ebika bisobola okukola mobilization enungi nti tewali ali mu nsi muno mu Uganda muno nga talina kikamwagwa. Kitegeeza nti wetu empowering abakulu b'ebika n'abakyamaani aba tribes ez'enjawulo ne boogerako n'abavubuka baffe wadde abali mu opposition ogenda okulaba nga babawuliriza ne babeera bakakkamu kuba tulabye ku mitimbagano abantu tebakyabwa abantu bakulu bitiibwa, tebawa president w'eggwanga kitiibwa, tebawa abakulu b'amadiini ab'enzikiriza bitiibwa, tebawa n'abantu abakulu bennyini ababeera mu community. Twetaaga okudda ku drawing board abakulu b'ebika bayite ebika byabwe kuba buli muntu alina ekika kyagwamu. Kati nga nze president w'Abanyoli ntunuulidde nnyo Abanyoli bange okwetoloola Eastern Region. Ekisookera ddala balina okubanga bagondera gavumenti eriko kubanga gavumenti gy'oyagala okusanga nga oli mulamu olina okukola ne gavumenti eba eriko eri ekusange ng'oli mulamu. Ffe ng'Abanyoli abali mu Eastern Region tulaba nga kiba kyavunaanyizibwa nnyo okubeera nga akalulu akajja twogerako n'abaana baffe baleme kwenyigira mu buvuyo. Omanyi bulungi eggwanga lino buli libeera mu kulonda tufiirwa ebintu bingi, enguudo zokyewa n'ebintu ebigwa mu kkobo eryo. So ffe ng'Abanyoli tusazeewo okutandika mobilization okubuulira abavubuka baffe, abaana, abawala n'abalenzi n'abantu bonna wamu okubanga tubakubiriza nti Uganda weeri, Uganda si yakuvaawo, tujagale. In fact patriotism erina okusomezebwa n'abakulu b'ebika abantu okubeera patriotic, okwagala eggwanga lyabwe. Mulage eggwanga gye livudde. Abantu abakulu abali mu Banyoli mu tribe z'Abanyoli twagala bawulira abaana history eggwanga lino erivudde. N'enkuŋŋaana zino okubeera n'enkuŋŋaana bwe ziti gavumenti ezimu zaali tezibiikiriza. Kati ffe ng'Abanyoli twagala twenyigire mu nsonga ezo okubanga abaana baffe baba banjawulo ku baana abalala naddala mu patriotic, okubeera abapatriotic, okwagala ensi yaabwe. Okwagala ensi yaabwe kya buli omu kitukakatako ng'abantu.
Amasiina Namajanjasi Muhambala Muhammad nga nje chairman Kilani Council in Elgon Region oba mu region yeno Eastern Region. Nja kusooka nga sinakwogera nikiri huloma ebigambo byene bingi nasooke husiima egavumenti ya President Museveni kubanga nje nyene tungaaye emirembe obona nti buli muntu ahola ndo lwaba noholire yina nigendere. Nasiima President Angira region ino mu Banyole ni huli ngalala inaye ni utambila ngalala ntiwe bali utulanga mu mago muno obona hanti hute hangeri hina yuhana hanilise muhona lebo speaker no kusomesa abantu hina itina mmoni jone jikenire inti meeting yo lero ebaye nti huli hute horuhuje oshasa honorable speaker Anita Among nigaja mu ruhuje rw'Abanyole embale ni hujja hwihale nakaloke no ruhuje runo ni ruhumbania omwa hukira paka hukoromojo Abanyole balimo ekyo hubiri mubaye monti ebitu bino byose hunehala hulino husomesagana no hulomera abachefe nadala bahulu bebiha balimo na bacheya person za ma district itusobola no husomesa abana huli hutina muhwangala nene hutina muhwangala uvuyo bamo bungi nadala basere bebishando rubenda era ni husunga nti hwagame husomese buli muntu mushashije alange meeting asomesa abana bategere kine cyokola etalo bayigwemo kubanga olino kwe bishobulanyi kuwafune mirembe neno tebihishe bulanyi olufanyimo hedereza ngayina obwangala hungirira abana bangi ese nabona abandi ni utandiha biri gumu nolwaliro bahiru makomera efamily jabagireha hwatina paka sawa ino abantu bahiringena mu makomero ruhwe bishobulanyi utine ukubirisa abana befe nadale fa Banyole bale hwenyigira mu mbera yina embi inti government eriho nabanu wenda yuwende kwagane olino hwe bishobulanyi mu government yina eriho eyo mumone yijja yusubira nti nje yiyo olusiya kwagala noli hina noli mirembe none ebishobu bibu government muno onza mu butola mu government yina ndiye yijja kale kukubirisa nadala bahulu bebiha ne bachaye person zaba ma district bahulangire ngano mu region zo mukaga nti mwagame musomesa abana nekindi mubahubirise okuja mu meeting honorable speaker gaje ni huli bangi kubanga nabasere nadala ba youth ango panga hoja batuhisa yo balagento bona ba youth bose basoma baguma hina baguma mirimo oboli yango aje hugwango olusinatume ati mupe abana bati osinzira episa yefe ujo hola yina ujo ebishamo era nikedese bigambo byange sinane bigambo bingi kubanga olwalero sura usomesa de hwedire huluma ohulome ne kubirisa abahulu bebiha ama district simwagame iti muje mu mobilizing bulangi usomesa abana agende wahuje bonaje fwezi wegateo usomese ngalala usobola kubanti Abanyole hugenda bulangi Abanyole hweyende hwebe milembe.
By the name is Hamira Hayawere. I am a Munyole by tribe. I come from Butobo district, that's Kakoro sub-county. I'm the chairman of all Banyole in Butobo district. And I'm the speaker of all Banyole in Elgon region. With due respect, I take the honor to thank the chairman and the president of all of Banyole in Elgon region. He has done a lot of mobilizing all the Banyole in Elgon region. As he said, in Elgon region, we have around 6 sub-regions. We have Busoga, we have Bukedi, we have Bugisu, we have Teso, we have Karamoja, and Sebei. The main theme of that is to mobilize all the Banyole outside the Butareja. But we remain answerable to Banyole in the Butareja. Today, I thank our chairman for calling us today, because the theme of this meeting today, one was to arrange for the meeting for us in Bunyole, we call it Oruhuje, which is going to be there on 17th May 2025. And the good news has given us today that we are humbled that in that occasion we are going to have the Honorable Speaker of Parliament of the Republic of Uganda, Anita Among. She is going to be the guest of honor on that occasion. On that note, I take the note to request all the Banyole who have attended this meeting to go behind, and we mobilize all the Banyole and the Land Banyole to come and attend that meeting. The second one, I'll talk of the government of Uganda. I thank the government of Uganda of the many deputy RCs who are appointed in Uganda. With the Banjul of Elgon region, we had the chance that we were given Hussein Gadimba as the deputy RCC Mbale City. He's a very good mobilizer and he has mobilized the Banjul, and I think whatever he's doing in the Bunyole will not shame the government of Uganda. Word of wisdom to the members who have attended this meeting today is that the government of Uganda, that's the NRM, is still there. I'm one of the supporters of NRM in my place of Butebu. I call upon all of you that there is no way you can survive in Uganda other than supporting the existing government. So we have the opposition in Uganda and also in Bugisu here. Our work, Mr. President, today, the theme is that we should mobilize and talk to all the opposition leaders who are in Bugisu sub-region, so as they can be one of the supporters of NRM. That's our theme. And in politics, when someone is an NRM and someone is maybe a noob and what, so long as you are Munyole, we should request you that you first of all support the existing government of Museveni, of the President of Uganda, our father, Kaguta Museveni, so as, because I'm informed that 2026 is coming on the ballot. I'm requesting you to support him, and as Banyole and other communities we live in. Banga sincerely, the group seated here is living outside Butaleja. Some of them live in Bugisu, Bugwera and other places of Soga. So, my message to you, let us go back and solicit for votes for our dear President of Uganda, who is Kaguta Museveni. Lastly, there's nothing you can give a child in Uganda other than education. I call upon all of you, please we go back on the drawing board, we push in money to our children so as we can achieve in life. The only way we can enjoy your life when you're mzee is to educate what? A child. And lastly, Mr. President, with the Banyole, most of us are farmers. And as the RCC said, among the issues, our communities were affected. That is the cattle rustling. And being neighbors to the Teso region, our dear friends in Teso region are benefiting from restocking. But for us in this region, we are not benefiting, and we are affected. So I call upon those ones who are concerned, more so the Speaker of Parliament, who is just our neighbor in Bukedia here, that among the issues to be considered in our region is the issue of restocking. Because the main food crop the Banyole are depending on is rice. And we're doing it in swamps. And the government is now saying the swamps are for the government. So a Munyole who is living and who has been educating a child because of the what? The swamps and the rice. In the future, he might not be able to educate a child. But if he's given a cow or cows, that one can help him to educate what? Children.
Amaina n'amalobozi ndi Nguko Samu Waluye nga ndi munole nga ntyame Namutumba mu kyalo ekyetebwa Bulogosero mu igolozo erye Namutumba. Olwaleero neisa lulingi ino okubona nti President w'Abanole mu Eastern Region atwesenga abakulu ab'ebika okwidda wano okola enteekateeka y'olukiiko lw'Abanole bona mu Eastern Region olujovaawo nga 17 omwezi ogw'okutaano 2025. Nenda okutwala okwebaza kwangu eri President w'Abanole tiyebale etweta okuba nti tutyamala okola enteekateeka eyo eyokola olukiiko lw'Abanole. era neyongera okumwebaza olw'omulimu omunene gwagire ng'akola okutukumakumaku ng'abanole abali ku luuya wa Butaleja olw'okutuyiza awalala n'okuba nti tufuuka kintu kirala era tukolera walala. Sir President, nkwebaza nti weebale kututembeeta era nsaba Kibumba yeyongera okuwa enkabi weyongera okututembeeta otyo. Ate nebaza okusinga ino nebaza President wa Uganda akulembeire Uganda okuva omwaka gw'86 okutuusa leero, engeri yene yatutembeeseemu okuba nti akyusiza Uganda okuva ku 86 okutuusa olwaleero. Era neyongera okwebaza President w'abanole omulama gwaleese nga ife abakulu b'ekika okuba nti wetuva wano twire tusomese abavubuka abawala n'abalenzi okubataamu empisa okuba nti batya abantu abakulu naddala abakulembeze aba buli ngeri. Era nkakasa neyama nti etujja okuva wano tujja kwira era nkubirize bakulu bananga b'ebika ebindi tujje tukubiriza naddala abaana baife abanole tube nti tubataamu empisa naddala mu kiseera kye tusembereire kino ekijja okuba ekyokulonda babe nti beebisa bulungi era nti tubataasa ebizibu ebijja obatuukaku naddala mu biseera ebya kampeyini n'okulonda okutwalira walala. Kubanga bwe tutaakola ekyo twidde afiirwa abaana baife, abandi basigale mu makomera, abandi bafiire n'obulamu bwabwe. Era tubakubirize nti oba benda bakukyusa gavumenti babe baikaikamu bagina bagonde gavumenti eriku okutuusa gavumenti eyebenda wetuukira ebagaane nga balamu.
Mumasina nange wa Muhammad Masingano Yusuf kwama mudisiye Sironko nenga naira husima were mbire husima President wefu Banyole Assistant RCC wembale hubanga shalero wahulangire wewe ngesonge hulangisa hubanga kuli huhola lubusano lwe Banyole ngefe Banyole huli mu Bukisuni mu Eastern Fwesi hubanga hubatwera huigata Banyole era muira humusima ndi were wanyala humuwa kumimo kwera musasula mukirai era nga huli huira hubusana lwefe were wahuweye nkabi ye hubanga hwakanira Honorable Speaker Anita Amongo Speaker wa Uganda hubanga esa muri busana lwefe le Banyole era huli ni 10 hoyo kumukali hubanga Speaker ali kweza huli busana lwefe era hwaira husima President w'erigwanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni bula iwe sahu wa mu Uganda nga huyagala buli kyesi hukana kihutabula kale unayira humusima hubanga Fwesi shihulangisirano hubanga efe Banyole bikuka bye Banyole bahulira bikuka bahulira district bacyamani Fwesi huihalatwera huire mu makakefe husomese sambo babandu babenga bibirisa bulayi babana befe babubuhani bahana babenga baba ni sambo igondera bukulembeze bw'ezidini bukulembeze bwa government igondera government hubanga ekutabula batabula kubyangafu hubanga bakyenda bulayi nga halu hwezaha hubenga abana bakyenda bulayi era naira hubakanira mwesi nga bakisumu hulindire mwanya lahu hulinda era huli ni kumwihoyo kubalu kosi era hubakanira umukuka wefe ulinde nafe Banyole hulimo mwalama muri humukanata era hubasaba mwesi bakisumu hulindire nibe bulafu mwesi mwalama muri Banyole fenye netawaza kumuholo kwe babandu Fwesi ni mwese hubatwera hwakanire umukeni wefu omuhulu Honorable Anita Amongo hubanga ahutabulanga huli bakali era mba hupirisa hubanga hubabutwera umunyololi yes
okatonda kaiso kusoka ayongera kuoneka nga akala mukunire atakaino gaita abantu kuoneka abantu batambuliramu olwati anu atuleteire evenda mawulira masa nga gazwa wa President Museveni nga koba ato President Museveni ali okubiriza abantu kuoneka nga bataka ebika byabwe ebyo bisomesya abantu bategeera okulembera abantu nakusani abaisuka ababeme empisa bawa abantu abakulu ebitiibwa abakulembeze b'amadini bateke even okutandika okukyusa ebigambo ebyabo mu bantu abantu bategeera abantu abakulu ente b'ebitiibwa kuoneka nga obuntu obumo bweba mu bantu anyirao n'amawulire gali kutambula amasaino Honorable Speaker wa Uganda Honorable Anita Among niye ali kwabo kuba omugendo omukulu mulukuje lw'Abanyole bombombona abali kwabo kuba enakaluko mu kisaawe inkubiriza netwongera okubiriza abagwere mwemwe na kubanga iso Abanyole takulire mu bugwere ate obugwere yonyo na insingazi ati anolusamo kibuku Abanyole muli bangi ne mwasukire bagwere impawo njawula akati omugwere naki n'Omunyole so tusaba ente tuteeko okola amasanyo gamani tuteeke ebifaananyi ko river mpologoma awo abantu bombona bazwayo nga twaniriza Honorable Speaker okwiza omukolo gwaiso gwaki ogw'17 gw'Abanyole so twongera n'okusaba n'okukunga Abanyole bombona bali mu kibuku mu Budaka Butebu Palisa yonyo natuwoneke nga tuboko omukolo guno tuweese omukolo gwaise n'ekitiibwa so tuli basiimu ino olw'engeri n'enkola ya President w'Abanyole enkwata n'okugaita kw'abantu kwabire nga tugaita kuoneka nga tuzwayo nze ntumula sofa mu kika ndi mukulu w'ekika ndi Deputy Prime Minister w'Abatego bombona oba oli Kenya oba oli Sudan oba oli Karamoja so amawulire ago gabagayizire mangu inokanga nitukobera abantu baiswe okuoneka nga bakyusa embeera banaiswe tukubiriza banaiswe mwongera okukyuka ensi ngewekola niki ngewetambula awe tuli kwabo okufunamu era tuwongera okubiriza abaisuka baiso kuoneka nga tuli abantu b'obuvunanyizibwa tulema okwebitya empisa embibi tutambule n'ensi ngewekola ki ngewetambula
alosho ng'enero to makonye ne kya president jaiso neke de president la teker la Banyoli yangalo lo saru rengu na jai kinine koto ma choreta no egitigita ha choreta itina isodit elo sina peja atumunaka parashanu tutoros kesi tunganu apoloko mamkese na kesi ayo ngite kedango sibib konye kape lo ijari sone atukono kinina uta sener anu nara tumunaka ekoto kesi aititori tunganu apoloko aje kite kesango sibibine pol iboro eni ya rate atumunak koto kesa som keda gogong Hari shomit ara imam konye kota gogong kotai koja so soma jaso msine keda do petao koja yunu do tomotao kalipito ototo Anita Honorable Anita kapa kosa speaker ingara so wailo iteso keda imunyolo raina atekere ni munyolo ingara so wailo ailobo kijai sone ibore na kitiso jaso kau ngare ni kitosiche mamo ni koto nyoni ailobo nyoni akituk konyi lipiti sojo koje kisoda nyoni akituk tetere sodi nyouni tomonyo tomochan iboriche awaila ashoman dumuni joiche dwe shomete che dwame kosa shoman konye ngunu pecha mutosi iponesho ititoro itungano apolo ke joko alipio ombertanita koroja supportinga kesi araide janu soma etenu arokok los kwa nasa somanar ke date kerin ate kerin na imunyolo kere ngunu lepolo kitosi ate kerin ay chori duwe aja ikini ne pepe ekoto ni kere kaupasi nesilo lijari sone ija sona tukono kini utaso ay akapana kini pole betur sa darajo toto Anita Among kapa president kosne beta ja ikina pejo na Apollo iborebo biche asiala mikito papa president kosi lo atekeri lo imunyolo